Welcome back to Gear of Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to continue where you left off in the Google Chrome on Windows 11 or 10. In case you were working with 4 tabs on your Chrome browser and you close the Chrome browser and you want to automatically open that all the tabs when you relaunch Google Chrome browser. To configure this one settings, first click on this one Chrome browser desktop icon, or using any method open your Chrome browser, then click on this one settings menu. In the drop down menu, select this one settings option. In the left sidebar, click on this one on a startup. On the right, choose this one option, continue where you left off. That's all about this video.